Hello everyone, this is my submission of Project 3 mail for CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. So to show you guys the output of my project, firstly let me run the server. So to see the feature of my project, firstly you have to log in as one person. In this page, which is index or inbox, you will see the emails that are arrived or that are sent by other people. You can click the whatever email that you want to read, and you will see the detail of the email and the text of the email. You can easily archive any email that you want by clicking the archive button. So if you click archive, it is arrived to archive page, and if you go to archive page, you will see some email are being archived, and you can easily just unarchive by clicking and archive. Another thing is you can compose email to other people. So in this case, I will write to Chandler after you fill some context that you want to send, you just have to click the submit button. By clicking submit button, you are redirected to send page. In this page, the email, the displayed email the email that you write to other people. You can see in this case, Monica sent to Phoebe and to other people. So if you log out and you will log in with other account, you will see that a new email is arrived, which is I sent before and the same content, and you can easily reply any email by clicking reply button. You will write anything you want to reply, and after that you just have to click submit button, and it will also direct to send button. So this is the end of my project, and thank you so much for watching.